Kishni Assembly constituency. Kishni Assembly constituency is one of the 403 constituencies of the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly, India. It is a part of the Mainpuri district and one of the 5 assembly constituencies in the Mainpuri Lok Sabha constituency. First election in this assembly constituency was held in 1962, after the DPACO 1961 delimitation order was passed in 1961. After the delimitation of Parliamentary and Assembly constituencies order was passed in 2008, the constituency was assigned identification number 109. Wards/areas. Extent of Kishni Assembly constituency is Kasi Allow Kishni, Kusmara of Bangayan Tehsil, Kusmara NP, Kishni NP of Mainpuri Tehsil and Kasi Kura of Karhal Tehsil. Member of the Legislative Assembly. 16th Vidhan Sabha, 2012 General Elections.